Hello, my dear students. Hope you all are fine and doing well at your home. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School, which is situated in Golabachar, Gorakhpur. Dear student, once again welcome back to our online classes. Student, in my previous video, I have already explained the story of chapter number 8 and some exercises of chapter number 8. So now today we going to revise the next rest exercises of this chapter. So for that you all first of all take out your new chance English Reader book and let's start today's video. So student, firstly we're going to revise again the given word meaning of chapter number 8. Okay, so one by one we're going to revise word meaning. So the first word is was overturned. The first word is was overturned. And the meaning of this given word was upside down. Okay, was upside down. Second word is the ruins. Okay, and the meaning of the ruins here the mess. Okay, third is in delight. Third word is in delight, and the meaning of this given word in happy surprise. Now the next fourth is stamped out. Stamped out, and the meaning of stamped out here walk out in anger. Walk out in anger. Now the next fifth one, that is timid, and the meaning of timid here gentle. Okay students, so it is very important for you that you must be revise this given word meaning, and if you not completed your fair, so you also write down in your notebook, okay, with a good handwriting. Student, your handwriting must be neat and clean, so you have to write this given word meaning in a good handwriting. Okay student, so one more time, that is first word is was overturned, and the meaning of this given word was upside down. Second is the ruins, and the meaning of the ruins is here the mess. Third is in delight, and the meaning of in delight in happy surprise. Fourth is stamped out, and the meaning of stamped out here walked out in anger. Fifth is timid, and the meaning of timid is here gentle. Okay student? Now, after word meaning, there is an exercise A. Read these sentences and answer the questions. So, the first sentence is what has happened. Student, the first sentence is what has happened, and according to the sentence, the first question is who said these words. In this exercise, firstly you have to read the given sentences, and after that you have to write the answer according to the question. So the first question is who said this word and to whom. So the answer will be, you must be right, that is this word was said by Miss Rottenmeier to Clara. Okay, this word was said by Miss Rottenmeier to Clara. Second word, second question, not word. Second question is which incident is the speaker referring to. So the answer will be a horrified incident happened in the library where the table was overturned in the middle of the floor and a stream of ink trickled slowly across the room. Okay? Student, answer of question number B, that is a horrified incident happened in library where the table was overturned in the middle of the floor and a stream of ink trickled slowly across the room. Okay, now we're moving to the next sentence, that is sentence number 2, that is given she must not be punished. She must not be punished, and the question is who is she in this given sentence. She must not be punished, so who is she in this given sentence. So she is Hattie. Okay, she is Hattie. The answer will be she is Hattie. And the next question, question number B, that is why must she not be punished. Why must she not be punished? So the answer will be Hattie should not get the punishment because the intention of Hattie is not to mischief anything. Okay student, Hattie should not get the punishment because the intention of Hattie is not to mischief anything. Now we moving to the next sentence, that is dash dash is a piece of naughtiness that deserve punishment. Is a piece of naughtiness that deserve punishment. So the first question is who said this word and to whom. Who said this word and to whom. So the answer will be Miss Rottenmeier said this word to Harry. Miss Rottenmeier said this word to Harry. Now the next question, that is question number B, what piece of naughtiness is speaker referring to. The question is what piece of naughtiness is a speaker referring to. So the answer will be To go without permission is a piece of naughtiness. Okay, is a naughtiness the speaker is referring to. To go without permission is a naughtiness the speaker is referring to. Now the next, fourth. After completing the third sentence, we moving to the next sentence, that is the last sentence of this exercise A. So the firstly we will read the given sentence, that is, what do you mean by such rudeness? What do you mean by such rudeness? Cried Miss Rottenmeier. What do you mean by such rudeness? Cried Miss Rottenmeier. So the first question is, what rudeness is Miss Rottenmeier angry about? What rudeness is Miss Rottenmeier angry about? So the answer will be, when Miss Rottenmeier asked the question with Harry, the sound of meow came as reply. Then Miss Rottenmeier get angry with such sound. When Miss Rottenmeier asked the question with Harry, the sound of meow came as reply. Then Miss Rottenmeier get angry with such sound. Now the next question, question number B, that is, do you think Harry was trying to be rude on purpose? Why? The question is, do you think Harry was trying to be rude on purpose? Why? So the answer will be, no, Harry was not rude on purpose because she loves the little creatures. Answer of question number B, that is, no, Harry was not rude on purpose because she loves the little creatures. Okay students, so just like this you have to revise this given exercise A and also write down in your practice book and complete your fair. Okay student, now we moving to the next exercise, that is exercise B, answer this question. The next exercise is exercise B, that is answer this question. So the first question is, what did Harry want to see when she woke up? Why couldn't she see those things? So the answer will be of question number first, that is, Harry want to see the blue sky and feel the fresh spring air against her face, but she couldn't see those things because she was in a big city. Okay, first question is, why did Harry want to see when she woke up and why couldn't she see those things? So the answer will be, Harry want to see the blue sky and feel the fresh spring air against her face, but she couldn't see those things because she was in a big city. Now next question is question number second, that is, who greeted Harry with a friendly smile? So the answer will be, Clara greeted Harry with a friendly smile. Now the third question, that is, why was Harry asked to go to the library? Why was Harry asked to go to the library? So the answer will be, Harry was asked to go to the library to wait for the tutor for study. Okay student, third question is, why was Harry asked to go to the library? So the answer will be, Harry was asked to go to the library to wait for the tutor for study. Now the next question is question number 4, why did Miss Rottenmeier hear that made her rush to the library? So the answer will be, Miss Rottenmeier heard a violent crash followed by shouts made her rush to the library. Now the next question, question number 5. Question number 5 is, what did she see in the library? What did she see in the library? So the answer will be, in library table was overturned in the middle of the floor. A stream of ink trickled slowly across the room. Student, answer of question number 5 is, in library table was overturned in the middle of the floor. A stream of ink trickled slowly across the room. Okay. Now the next question, question number 6, that is, did Clara take Harry's sides? What did she say to Miss Rottenmeier? Did Clara take Harry's side? What did she say to Miss Rottenmeier? So the answer will be, yes, Clara took Harry's side. She said it was Harry, but she didn't mean to do it. Student, answer of question number 6, yes, Clara took Harry's side. She said it was Harry, but she didn't mean to do it. Now the next question, question number 7. Question number 7 is, where did Harry go in the afternoon and why? Where did Harry go in the afternoon and why? So the answer will be, in afternoon, Harry wanted to see the pine trees, so she went to a tall tower. Question number 7. Where did Harry go in the afternoon and why? So the answer will be in afternoon. Harry wanted to see the pine trees, so she went to a tall tower. Now the last question, question number 8, that is, why did Miss Rottenmeier get angry with Harry? What did Harry do in response and why? Why did Miss Rottenmeier get angry with Harry? What did Harry do in the response and why? So the answer will be Miss Rottenmeier get angry with the Harry because she went out without the permission, and the Harry responds with the sound of meow because Harry kept 2 kittens in her dress. Student, answer of question number 8, that is, Miss Rottenmeier get angry with the Harry because she went out without the permission, and the Harry responds with the sound of meow because Harry kept 2 kittens in her dress. Okay, so just like this you have to learn and revise this all question answer of chapter number 8 one by one, and also write down in your practice book. You have to practice it, this given exercises. Okay student, and also learn because it's all are very important for your examination. So you must be practice this all given exercises. Student, after word meaning exercise A and B, you have to practice this given harmony, that is very important. So here, what is harmony? Do you know that harmony? You have to read this given statement about the homonym. Okay, so in these 2 sentences the word nature has 2 different meanings. There are many such words in the English language, they are called harmony. Okay, harmony is a word that have some spelling but their meanings are different. Okay, so as we know, these are the 2 different things. These 2 are different things. Okay, first is mouse, that is related to animals, and second one is that is related to computer. This given both objects are different, but we call this given objects mouse. Okay, so here we will write MOUSE, mouse, that is called homonym. Okay, in second, this both are called seal, SEAL, seal. Okay, but their meanings are different. Okay, now the next, third is crane, CRANE, crane. Fourth is that is bank. In first bank we have to deposit the money, and the second word bank is, this is the side of river. Okay student, next exercise is exercise G. In exercise G, fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verbs within the bracket. So in first, student we will choose the correct option. We will choose the correct form of the verbs within the brackets, and after that we have to fill the given blanks. In first, there is a Harry dashed quickly and went to the dining room. So here we will choose the given word, that is dressed. Okay, so we will choose the second option, and after that write down on the given blanks. In second, Miss Rottenmeier dashed Harry standing at the door. So we will choose the given word, that is found, 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 and after that we will write here on the given blanks. Third is next year I dash to England. So we will choose the word, that is will go. Okay. Fourth is I dash Aruna tomorrow. So we will choose the given word, that is will visit. In number 5, next is number 5, that is Sameer dash of the horse yesterday. So here we will write fell, FELL, fell. 6 is Tara dash her pet kittens Suti. So we will write here loves, LOVE, loves. We will choose the correct option, that is loves. In number 7, Geeta dash a new vehicle last week. So here we will choose the correct word, that is bout, BOUGST, bout. In number 8, John's dog Puffy dash for him at the bus stop every day. So here we will choose the correct option, that is waits, WAITS, waits. Now the next one, next number 9, that is I dash reading Harry as soon as I finish Oliver Twist. So here we will choose the correct option, that is Option number second, that is began, B-E-G-A-N, began. Okay. In number 10, Ritu dash a beautiful portrait of my mother. So here we will choose the correct option, that is painted, P-A-I-N-T-E-D, painted. Okay student. After completing this exercise, we will moving to next exercise. In the next exercise, correct these sentences by changing the tense of the underlined words as directed in the brackets. Rewrite them in your notebooks. Okay, so here we will change the given tense. Okay, so first is when the tutor arrives, the two girls were studying. So we will change this given word arrives into past. So it will be arrived. A-R-R-I-V-E-D, arrived. Okay. Second is Miss Rottenmeier told Harry to went to the library with Clara. So here we will change this given word went into present. So it will be go. Okay. It will be go. So we will write the sentence, Miss Rottenmeier told Harry to go to the library with Clara. Firstly, we will write the sentence after changing the given word arrives into past tense. It will be when the tutor arrived, the two girls were studying. Okay. In second, Miss Rottenmeier told Harry to go to the library with Clara. In number third, Harry climbed up a tall tower because she wants to see the pine trees. So we will change this given word into past. It will be wanted. Okay. Harry climbed up a tall tower because she wanted to see the pine trees. Fourth is Harry clapped her hand in joy when she finds 8 furry like little kittens in a basket. So we will change this given word clap into present. It will be clap. Harry clapped her hands in joy when she found 8 furry like little kittens in a basket. Okay. Next is number 5. Miss Rottenmeier was frightened when she sees the kittens. So we will change this given word was frightened into future. So it will be will frightened. Okay. Miss Rottenmeier will frighten when she sees the kittens. Okay student. Student, now next you have to complete this given exercise, given activity at your home. You have to listen to the clues that your teacher read out and complete this crossword. The words are from the story. Okay, you will complete this given crossword. Okay students, so we will do this given activity in our next video. You must keep practice of this all exercises at your home. Student, it is very important. You must be learn word meaning, question answer and exercises of this chapter. Okay, so that's it for today. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.